Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying exactly what must persist for tomorrow: documents, app state, or DB tables. Once done, pick your destination, local, external disk, NAS, or cloud, and favor at least one offsite copy. Make sure power and network are stable, you have credentials, and there's enough free space. Start the first copy now to avoid last-minute rushes. This immediate action reduces risk and gives you time to fix early issues before proceeding to more complex steps. You continue by creating reliable, consistent backups. For databases, use atomic or transactional export. For files, use snapshotting or rsync with archive. Once transfers start, compress and record checksums like SHA-256 so you can verify integrity after transfer. Make sure to automate the process with scheduled jobs, scripts, or a backup tool that supports logging and retention rules. If automation runs now, monitor logs and fix permission or path errors immediately so subsequent. You finish by validating the saved data. Perform a restore test on a representative file or DB subset to confirm recoverability. Once restored, set retention and rotation policies, enable encryption at rest and in transit, and restrict access controls. Record the process and notify stakeholders that their data for tomorrow is secured, then schedule the next automated run. If the restore fails, check checksum mismatches, incomplete transfers, or permissions first. Fixing those typically resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.